electronic configuration of elements so firstly we have S block elements. So the elements in which of the periodic table in which last electron enters in s orbital are called S block elements. Last electron in s orbital. So we can take the example of sodium 1s2 2s2 2p6. So here it is 10 and 3s1. So by this we can understand last or electron is in 3s orbital, and second s orbital can accommodate a maximum of 2 electron. We all know that s orbital can take 2 electron. The general electronic configuration is ns 1 to 2, where n is 1 to 7. So and third, first group elements are also known as alkali metals. So lithium, these are alkali metal, and these are alkaline earth metal. So then we are coming to p block element. The elements of the periodic table in which last electron filled up in the p orbital, same as s orbital, here electron enter in p orbital. General electronic configuration ns2 np1 to 6. So we can see of boron 5 1s2 2p3, and second, the p shell can accommodate a maximum of 6 electron. P shell has 6 electron. Zero group element having electronic configuration as ns2 np6, and they are inert. For example, neon. Then we have d block element. The elements in which last electron enter in d orbital, here last electron enter in d orbital, and second part, general electronic configuration. n minus 1 s square p6 d1 to 10 ns1 to 2, except palladium whose electronic configuration 4d10 5s0. Here all elements are metal. they are between S and P block, S block element, P block element, and here we have D block element. Then we have F block element. Last electron enter in F orbital, n minus 2 F orbital. F block element are from 58 to 71 and 90 to 103, starting from lanthanum, starting from actinium. And third part, as we already told, lanthanides, and 90 to 103 actinides. All actinides are radioactive. So these are the property of F block element. So now I am going to tell easy way of doing electronic configuration. So firstly we will write 1s here, like 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f, 5s, 5p, 5t, 5f, 5g, 6s, 6p, 6d, 6f, 6g, 6h, 7s, 7p, 7d, 7f, 7g, 7h, 7. So if you are like trying in advanced level, then these electronic configurations you can write, like of hypothetical elements you can try. 7p, 7d, 7f, 7g, 8p, 8t, 8f, 8g, 8h, 8i. One should 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f, 5s, 5p, 5d, 5f, 5g, 6s, 6p, 6d, 6f, 6g, 6h. So like this. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p6, 4p6, 5s2, 4d10, 5p6, 6s2, 4f14, 5d10, 6p6, 7s2, 5f14, 6d10, 7p6, 8s2. Like this we can proceed and write off atomic number 120. So like this we have to make the lines. One s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p6, 4p6, 5s2, 4d10, 5p6, 4f14, 5d10. Like this we can proceed and write off. So slant arrow we have to draw like this.